Hey guys, Ben Riley here. Welcome back to another video. It's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Alright friends, today I'm gonna consider a snow day. But I also have a lot of art to catch up on. This is what my table looks like. Majority of the time is just paper everywhere. This is my hoarder artist mentality. If there's table space, I will fill it with nonsense. It sucks, man. This is my curse. And also, I think this is kind of why my mind is all over the place too, is like, you are your environment. And right now mine's fairly cluttered, but it's pure art. I actually haven't even gone to the garage for a week almost. My FRS needs tending to, and also the XB, man, that half-built cabinet. Oh, we will go there later. I promise, guys, promise. This is more so to myself. Truthfully, I have better things to do. All right, guys. Let's do this. Right now, I'm designing a tattoo, and it is the dragon from Okami, which was this really awesome, very artistic, beautifully designed PS2 game. It was like this fox that painted things, and this is the dragon from it. So draw for the next 3 hours here, and then maybe we can head over to the garage and finally fix that cabinet. Maybe start on the flooring too, but also it's just been like -35 plus wind chill here in Calgary, so it just sucks to be outside. Ah, there it is. Hello. Hello. Alright, I'm in the washroom right now because I'm filming a TikTok. So, if you guys remember, I released this Naruto mirror run challenge. And it went pretty viral, but then my Instagram got deleted. But now, in commemoration of the new Spider-Man that just came out, I'm creating another mirror challenge, but this time we're going vertical. So I'm just gonna like set you guys down and film this process because it's literally me taking my phone and well, I kind of have it scripted out and what scenes I need, but I just have to get multiple shots of me falling vertically. Then I'll bring all that footage into Sony Vegas and then we'll edit it, pre-uploading it onto all the other social media places. This is like my second TikTok ever, so showing my face anyway. The rest of them are just like cars. First scene kind of goes like this. I walk into frame, I look at my hand, and I'm gonna edit a spider biting me. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now, one thing I was missing from this costume was the belt, because we've specifically chosen to do Scarlet Spider, which if you didn't know is actually my favorite Spider-Man out of all the Spider-Mans in the whole multiverse. Got a red suit, Spider-Man mask, and this is Ben Riley costume, aka Scarlet Spider. So yeah, let's change into costume. Last zip. Oh, my eyes. There. Oh man, this is sick. And then for my belt, it's literally air freshener for your car. Okay, let's film this TikTok. This is so hard. I'm tired as that. Been jumping off the sink for like 10 minutes. That's cool. It's friendly neighborhood Spider-Man! Hey, Spider-Man! Yeah, no, it's pretty cool. I have to wear a cup though. If I go all the way, you'll see it. I can't. The reason why Spider-Man is masked is because any kid can be Spider-Man.
Yeah, that's why I said that. Oh, that's why.
Holy mother.
Stanley is the greatest.
Yo, what up, homie? So some of you guys might be wondering about the title of this video, so let me just get settled and I'll explain everything. So what I mean by the title, it's pretty self-explanatory. Coming into 2022, I just figured we really didn't have a need for a brick and mortar. Just having a physical shop was just not the move. Well, I kind of figured this out mid 2020 when the pandemic was really like peaking. People rarely go to physical stores anymore. And I just feel like if I were to focus all of my efforts, all 150 million% of it, plus ultra, onto the online shop, it would just be beneficial for everybody. Take it from me, it's just a lot of unnecessary overhead payments and a lot of unexpected expenses that I just wasn't ready for. Believe it or not, I actually pay more for the rent for this place than I have any of my other previous garages. I mean, I eventually wanted to see myself outgrow myself, but I feel like trying to maintain this place for the past couple of years just slowed down my personal projects. It's a big reason. So take it from me, guys, don't let your upkeep be your downfall. And that's why I've decided to close down our shop, which is sad for me to say, and who knows, actually, down the road we'll probably end up opening up another one, but at this point in time, it's unnecessary. Or at least I don't see a need for it, because actually most of our sales take place online anyway. You live and you learn. So who knows, maybe it'll happen again in the future, like me having a store, but right now, just don't really see a need for it. And obviously everything's still gonna be available online, and what this means is we might have a minor restock on things that are already sold out, because everything we brought to the store is actually just extra Kmart merch. I just think this will help me move forward that much faster into my bigger ambitions. And it'll just allow me to put money into things that'll be utilized more properly and grow more effectively. Yeah. I miss this place here and there. Like, we're still obviously gonna keep the artwork on the wall, but these two front rooms are gonna be taken up by somebody else's business. We might turn it into like an office space, or I'm probably gonna be selling all of the retail stuff too. So if any of you guys out there need counters, this whole setup is for sale. Actually, everything here is for sale. All the clothes on the racks themselves, the slats on the wall. Look, we're still sitting on a bunch of Supreme stuff, guys. Actually, I'm probably gonna use that bookend for myself. I came to the shop to tell you that, but also I wanted to work on the XB a little bit and just get it ready for the flooring stage. So today, let's finesse a bit. And like I said, guys, we're actually still gonna be keeping a portion of the garage here, as well as the mezzanine area. So up there, still gonna be counted as the Kmart's office space. But for the amount that I was actually paying per month, I just don't think it was fair to me at all. Again, we're sharing this space with 3 other businesses. I just really don't need the front room. Actually, I think the other tenants that are gonna be taking over Sunnyside are here, getting settled. So maybe let's go say hi. Maybe we can go introduce you guys. Oh, hi puppy. Hey there, what's up guys? It's all good, man. Yeah, you guys are gonna be famous, man. So, I forgot my coffee in the front. Yeah, those guys are cool vibes. Coffee, yes. All right, let's work on the XB. What the? There's cabinets right here. I could have just used this. That's like exactly what I built. What the? This came out of the staff room. Now it got me thinking, like, I could have went to IKEA and just like repurposed one of their furnitures. Oh well. We're just gonna finesse things a little bit. Maybe get our sink set up so we can actually measure out the proper sizing for the tubes. I want to paint all of the furniture black, so I'm just gonna sand them down and prep them basically for paint. Go for the clean look. This guy likes chilling with me. It's probably because he smells Gohan. And now Gohan's gonna get mad. All right. Man, this thing's always closed. And guaranteed it's out of batteries too. Not yet. Hinge idea is definitely not gonna work. If I place this right there, I actually wouldn't be able to open this just because it's gonna be hitting the other side. So I think I might actually have to cut this board a little shorter. Maybe like right there. Damn it. Okay, back to the drawing board, guys. And this is gonna be going underneath the bench anyway, so it doesn't have to be the prettiest under there. But now I have to cut this board a little shorter. And actually, maybe I can just reappropriate this little piece that I cut off and put it here. Ooh, I think I figured it out, guys. I'm a fool. I could just do it this way. It's gonna be protruding a tiny bit, like by millimeters, but if I put the hinge here and then just screw it down, I'll definitely still be able to open it like this. Hey, and then, yeah, this little hump right here, the corner of the hinge is gonna be sitting right in between both boards, and it should lay down flat enough. Like, that's actually pretty good. Yes. Hey, off, dude. I'm showing them. Okay, show my off. Bro, back up. Show off. Oh, thank you. Okay, check it. Voila. Well, it's not even screwed in yet, but yeah, you guys get the idea. Pound it. Yeah! And actually, I don't need the entire thing, but I'll probably just cut it off like right there. We don't need this entire thing. I'll just cut smaller pieces off and probably just put a hinge on both ends. Yeah. Gucci. Now I want to test it, but this guy's in the way. We're probably gonna actually indent this in there so it's not protruding. Move, please. Move, please. Oh. Ready? Check this. Voila. Okay, show me. Watch out. Dude, that's dope. And actually, both sides balance each other out, weigh each other down, so I can actually just keep that one there without having to actually mount it in the middle. Oh, fuck. That's actually pretty tight. There you go. Now, obviously, I still have to figure out some sort of opening latch system, but you guys get the idea. That was so sick. Good job. Okay, watch out. I want to test it one more time. Move, bro. Voila. That was just sick. Okay, on to the next thing. I'm gonna cut out our sinkhole. I'm basically just gonna trace this, get it as centered as I can. Then of course just cut it down to the diameter of the screen part of this. Get down there. Boop, 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 boop. Find the center of that. And actually this is gonna be the first time I'll be using one of these. But now I just gotta find the right size circle. That is actually so close. This one. Oh dude, that is perfect. Alright. I totally don't know how to use this thing. Someone help me. Please. I'm literally just trying to make a hole in my bowl. You know, we'll just leave the whole sink for another day. Like, I actually wanted to start this today. But I'm just getting a flood of ideas, pun intended, because we're gonna be working with water. The tube is actually gonna be fed right here. So the idea is to actually, if we can like position the faucet where there's open space still underneath it, we'll have it connected to some sort of piping here that is attached to another, like the extra excess water reservoir. So that's where the dirty water will go. I just don't know if I'm gonna put it under there or like in here or something. Under here, a mini fridge on this side, and then here's where the clean water is gonna go. It's coming together, but I'm just gonna call it a night. Yeah, that's it guys, I'm gonna end this video. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe if you like the content. And even if you don't, I like you either way. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.